Today we're making a dish that's just like me, a little spicy and full of beer. I'm Tom, this is Dude's Gourmet, and today we're using our Gulf Coast seasoning and some of Jimmy Buffett's beer to make some happy clams. And I'm gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. This recipe is super easy, guys. The first thing you need to do is get a pan ripping hot with some olive oil. So this is an induction, it's gonna be a little weird, so it feels hot enough. Phase one of this is 2 crushed garlic cloves, some chopped bacon, and 1 chopped shallot. I love clams. I love clams. Clams make me feel like summer. Summer's awesome. I love clams. You guys don't want to rush this. You want that bacon to be nice and crispy and spread it out a little bit or you're gonna end up steaming your vegetables. Everybody really has their own way to make clams. I like bacon, onion, shallot, garlic. I mean, who doesn't like bacon? I don't think I can trust you if you don't like bacon. All right, so this looks kind of where I want it. Now it's time for 2 chopped celery stalks and half of a habanero. Take the seeds out because they get super hot. Anybody that knows me knows I like spicy, but habaneros scare the shit out of me. Give that a quick mix. Now it's time for us to add our Dude's Gulf Coast seasoning. Oh, that looks beautiful. Now it's time for our clams. Spread them out. Get them a little hot in there. And give them a jiggle. Now it's time for our beer. Half for the clams, half for you. And we're gonna throw 2 sticks of butter in there. After the butter, you're gonna add some lemon rind. Save some of it for a garnish later. Now it's time to cover these bad boys up. Wait for them to pop up. While you're waiting, you can finish your beer. If there's any beer guys that are looking to sponsor a Dude, I'll put my email right across the bottom right now. Email me. I love beer. Hook it up. Squeeze half a lemon inside of it. Let's see how that broth tastes. Oh yeah. I really like to serve these in a cast iron skillet. I think it looks really nice. All right, guys, these look pretty done. I've had these clams steaming for about 10 minutes. So whichever ones that aren't open, just disregard. They're dead. Not really a big deal. Let's get these into our skillet over here. Let's get the clams in first. Let's get some of this goodness inside of it. Sprinkle that around. Now it's time for your ladle. All right, guys, I'm done waiting for you. Oh, look at that. Boom. They are opened. One guy's not. All right, sayonara, sucker. Get all this goodness inside. Turn this bad boy off. Here's your broth. Spread that good stuff around. I'm gonna take some parsley right over here. Sprinkle it all over the place over here like that. Now we're gonna take our Tasman Wakame sea salt, and we're gonna finish these guys off. Look at that, that's beautiful. Those clams are beautiful. The only thing left to do now is try them. Oh yeah. This is a recipe that everybody should have during the summer. It's amazing, it's very easy. It's got beer in it, just like me. It's fantastic. These are awesome. These are fantastic. You guys really taste the heat from that habanero, but it's not overpowering. It's perfect. Hey, if you guys like my recipes, or want to get your hands on some of my seasonings, smash that subscribe button below. Let's hang out some more. I'm gonna eat these clams. These clams are awesome. Oh, 2 for 1. Nice.